friends, I'm Lado Okhotnikov. In this video we will take a look at what Stable Force Classic is, or SFC for short. Many, unfortunately, already confuse it with our main Force coin, which I announced earlier, which will be a full-fledged cryptocurrency for which we have prepared a unique IDO and powerful cryptonomics. SFC does not and should not have all this. SFC has a different purpose. Yes, we conditionally call it a stable token, since it is not subject to volatility. But this is not a token that has free use. In another way, you can call it not token, but simple points. The essence of SFC is to solve a very important task for us. What options do others offer for participants if, like ours, marketing gives 100% to the affiliate network so that you have a maximum income that can last for an unlimited time? Others only have a marketing program. If 100% is paid to the network, then no one even expects any product. In MetaForce, you get a full-fledged product due to two sources of resources, namely, ID number one is not greedy, I do not take the surplus for myself, and those who leave the MetaForce program pay a commission. After all, a person refuses auto-reactivation and auto-upgrade. It means that he is not interested in the development of our business, so only those who leave us pay. These two sources complete our product fund. The fund is used to create a full-fledged product, so that it is of interest not only to those who are participants of MetaForce. That is, every time you buy a slot level, you are not just taking up spot in the matrix. You, at the same time, purchase a product. Each program at the same time has its own product line. The meaning of SFC stable token is to give you the freedom to choose any product, without being tied to a certain level of the matrix. Making an ordinary volatile free-floating token out of SFC would be a big mistake, as this would dilute the value of the cryptocurrency and no tokenomics could work. Therefore, the main Force crypto is one thing and SFC is quite another. In MetaForce, every detail of the system is carefully thought out. It is necessary that the participant on the one hand receive the product that the consumer needs, but at the same time the system remains stable despite the most generous payments. SFC cannot be exchanged, cannot be sold, it can only be used for its intended purpose, the purchase or sale of a product of the classic program line. The only feature that we still want to add is the ability to exchange for a similar stable token of another MetaForce program, but with a commission. Yet again, the point of the commission is not to take extra interest from you, but to protect of the value of system components. That's why it is important that each such action must cost the participant something. Otherwise, if there was too much exchange, it would devalue the stable token sharing in a variety of programs. In addition to this kind of stable tokens or points, each program has its own additional Plus program. Plus programs are designed for the possibility of selling the product in excess of what is included in the purchase of matrices. These products you can use for yourself. You can sell them and get additional profit, or you can take some of yourself and sell some. At the moment, at the pre-launch, you have a 50% discount of the purchase of slot levels, while you receive SFC in full 100% volume. On the one hand, you get this discount because you share with us the difficulties of the pre-launch. We are creating a unique system, we are moving along an unbeaten path. And this whole system is getting better. Yes, not simply, not immediately, but after all, it's getting better. However, this is not the main reason. The main thing is that when you receive SFCs now, you cannot use them in any way yet. And while you have to wait for the opportunity to use SFC, for this waiting you get a 50% discount. As soon as there is at least some possibility of using SFC, the price of the levels becomes 100%. We assumed that the nearest opportunity to use SFC would be the sale of products, the possibility of acquiring them. However, as we are now observing the progress of our developments, the royalty NFT program, which I talked about in one of the previous videos, will be implemented much earlier. Accordingly, as soon as this program is released, the price of the levels will be 100%. Going forward, SFC will only be used to purchase products from the classic program line. For each program there will be its own type of products. Directly in the classic program, this will be informational and artistic products, various courses, literature, art, photo, video art, NFT art, etc. All products are designed for the user's interest, regardless of whether he became our member or not. And of course, we can have different cases. Someone will come with an interest in business, someone with an interest only in the product and will be for us only as a customer, and someone at first having an interest only in the product, later will learn more about our ecosystem and as a result decided to do business with you, with your team. There can be a variety of options thanks to such a large multi-directionality. The development of the marketplace and products is in full swing, and the royalty NFT program will soon begin the testing phase, and there will be a temporary opportunity to use SFC to pump status NFTs so that they bring passive income. Later, we will have special energy tokens for NFT pumping, and then this function will stop at the SFC. At the same time, the full use of SFC for its main purpose will be realized. In the next video, I'll talk about the Classic Plus program and give you a complete picture of our product marketing strategy. We, with you, will create grandiose turnover of products. After all, we are with you. Force.